When it comes to fitness and body goals, choosing between developing a muscular, gym-defined body or achieving a slim, model-like physique involves a range of personal considerations. Both paths require significant effort and dedication, but they cater to different lifestyles and aspirations. Here's a comprehensive look at what to consider when making this decision. If you are yet to subscribe, this is a cue to do so. Alright, let's dive right into it. Number 1. Personal goals and preferences. Your personal goals and preferences are fundamental in deciding between a gym body or a model slim body. If you aim for strength, muscularity, and physical prowess, a gym body with increased muscle mass and definition might be your goal. This often involves a regimen focused on weightlifting, strength training, and higher calorie intake to build muscle. On the other hand, if your goal is a leaner, more slender appearance often associated with modeling, you might focus on cardio exercises, a lower calorie diet, and flexibility training to maintain a slim figure. Number 2. Lifestyle and time commitment. Consider the time and lifestyle changes each body type demands. Achieving a gym body typically requires a commitment to regular weightlifting sessions, a diet rich in protein, and perhaps supplements to aid muscle growth. This can mean spending several hours a week in the gym and planning meals carefully. Click the link below to access our premium meal menu dieting plan for a well-toned gym body. Conversely, a model's slim body often involves a mix of cardio workouts, such as running or cycling, and a diet aimed at maintaining a low body fat percentage. This might mean frequent, intense workouts and meticulous attention to diet. What's your pick? Are you an eater or you barely eat? Number 3. Health and wellness. Health considerations play a crucial role in this decision. A gym body can signify good health if pursued with balance, focusing on strength and endurance without overemphasizing muscle size. It can promote overall fitness, strength, and metabolic health. Conversely, striving for a model slim body should be approached with caution. Extreme dieting or excessive cardio can sometimes lead to nutritional deficiencies or negative health impacts. It's important to maintain a balanced approach to avoid potential health risks, guys. Alright, moving on. Mental and emotional impact. The psychological effects of each body type can vary. A gym body often brings a sense of accomplishment and confidence through physical strength and visible muscle gains. It can also foster a positive body image through the celebration of physical achievements. A model slim body may be associated with societal standards of beauty and might impact self-esteem based on external validation. Both goals should be pursued in a way that supports a positive self-image and mental well-being. What type of energy do you want to exude? Is it confidence and passion or beauty and fashion? Choose your pick. Lastly, long-term sustainability. Consider the long-term sustainability of each body type. Maintaining a gym body requires ongoing commitment to strength training and a diet that supports muscle maintenance. This can be sustainable if you enjoy the gym environment and strength training. In contrast, maintaining a model slim body may involve ongoing dietary restrictions and high levels of cardio. It's important to choose a path that aligns with your long-term lifestyle and fitness enjoyment. Deciding between achieving a gym body or a slim, model-like body involves evaluating personal goals, lifestyle changes, health impacts, mental effects, and long-term sustainability. Both paths require dedication and can lead to fulfilling outcomes if pursued thoughtfully. Ultimately, the choice should align with your personal preferences and be approached in a way that supports overall well-being and happiness.